23, wind 050 degrees 10, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff. Bye-bye.
Takeoff 10 right, Shamrock 123, yes.
American 75, good morning again, line up runway 10 right and wait.
Line up runway 10 right and wait for American 725.
American 75, wind 060 degrees 11, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff. Bye-bye.
Takeoff 10 right, American 725. We'll talk to you in a few weeks. Bye.
Okay, see you then. High left, 10 left, 4.7.
Emirates 161, good day, wind 090 degrees, 08 knots, runway 10 left, clear to land.
Runway 10 left, clear to land, Emirates 161.
Vacate November 3, turn right November.
November 3, right November, Emirates 161.
Shamrock 952, wind 080 degrees, 09 knots, runway 10 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 10 left, Shamrock 952.
Emirates 161, continue right November, contact ground 125.885, bye-bye.
125.885, right in November, Emirates 161, thank you.
Enable vacate right November.
F November.
Roger, low, continue approach, wind check 040 degrees, 10 knots. Continue approach, hello, 500.
Charlie, establish ILS, runway 10 left, 5 miles.
Flight 91 Charlie, today number 2, continue approach, wind 060 degrees, 08 knots.
Continue approach.
Icelandair 416, wind 040 degrees, 09 knots, runway 10 left, clear to land.
Runway 10 left, clear to land, that's 416.
Flight 91 Charlie, right November, contact ground 125.885, bye-bye.
Right, November and ground 125.885, now flight 91 Charlie.
Vacate November 3, left November.
Normandy left November, I said 416.
Denmark 9 Mike Yankee, wind 070 degrees, 10 knots, runway 10 left, clear to land.
It's land 10 left, Denmark 9 Mike Yankee.
Yankee, vacate November 3, turn right, November.
November 3, turn right on November, Denmark 9 Mike Yankee. X-ray line up runway 10 right and wait. You will get time on the runway for wake.
Perfect, line up away at runway 10 right, Mark 10. Whiskey. The wind is 050 degrees at 11 knots. Runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
1 direct at 6, planetary whiskey.
Inter 776, would you like Sierra 6 or Sierra 7 for departure?
Sierra 7, Egypt Air 776.
Egypt Air 776, taxi Sierra 7, line up runway 10 right and right. 060 degrees at 12 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, bye-bye.
Runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, 6052 Romeo, bye-bye.
FedEx 5201, 050 degrees, 10 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
10 right, clear for takeoff, FedEx 5201, have a good day.
Yeah, the Americans are
ICR5417 to line up runway 10 right, mate.
Line up 10 right and wait, I said 5417.
ICR5417, 070 degrees at 12 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff.
Please take a 10 right then, 5417.
Oh my god, this is...
Huh?
Oh my god.
What?
That's one of the brand new planes.
What?
That's one of Aer Lingus' brand new planes. That's like
The
the...
blue screen.
You know how I said the one that's in the place in the 757? It's that one.
Taxi CR7, line up runway 10 right, mate.
Taxi Tower 7, lined up and wait, runway 10 right, Shamrock 9 Charlie Golf, good afternoon.
Line up runway 10 right, wait, Ryanair 2 extra next. Shamrock 168, 070 degrees, 11 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff. 10 right, clear for takeoff, Shamrock 168.
Not me more concerned about the rabbits than the plane.
Meanwhile, me, it's a 7873.
77 Charlie, line up runway 10 right, wait.
Runway 10 right, Shamrock 1 Charlie.
Love this. Right, banana.
Shamrock 60 down, right up here, 60 golf, okay, sir, continue CR7 in sequence next. Cool. Qatari 38 Charlie, the wind is 060 degrees at 13 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, bye-bye.
10 right, clear for takeoff, Qatari 38 Charlie, bye.
Line up runway 10. Ryanair 403 Hotel, 060 degrees at 13 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff. Take off at 10 right, Ryanair 403 Hotel, goodbye.
Where's your one?
In my back pocket. Oh yeah, I just left it in the ground. Oh hello Ryanair, no one came here.
Ow.
Delta 155, wind is 060 degrees at 12 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, bye-bye. Clear for takeoff, 10 right, Delta 155, goodbye.
Well, I have a thing that gives me extra storage.
I don't.
Shamrock 78 Lima, Sierra 7, line up runway 10 right, wait. Sierra 7, line up runway 10 right, Shamrock 78 Lima, passenger.
How have I stopped?
Shamrock 9 Papa Mike, 060 degrees at 12 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, bye-bye. Bert, takeoff 10 right, Shamrock 9 Papa Mike. Good luck now, thanks for help. Sierra 7, line up runway 10 right, thanks. Sierra 7, line up 10 right, and wait. Shamrock 6 Papa Echo, wind is 070 degrees at 10 knots, runway 10 right, clear for takeoff, bye-bye. Clear for takeoff 10 right, Shamrock 6 Papa Echo.
Oh, baby friend. Me, I'm